sardinas. Sardinas ang ulam natin ngayon ng oras na break work tayo. Tapos lang ang Christmas party. Kain tayo ng sardinas. Sardinas is life. Oh. Dito na ako. Merry Christmas. Kakain tayo ng sardinas. Sardinas tayo. Ano ko yung ano yan. Good morning. Mantay ni sardinas ako. Sardinas si Dateo. Ang tabadok ni Piman. Sardinas ni. Loko-loko. Bang ko naman ka. Ya, mangan. Sardinas. Wala tayong StreamYard eh. Paso na. Sardinas with bagoong. Ang ating titirahin ngayon. Saan ka pa? Kakain tayo. Bagoong. Gawin natin pang bagoong. Ang dami kong kanin ah. Yun. That's ako ay kain na. Ang gagawin ko. Yan, wala na. Sardinas. Iya, buksan ah. Buksan sa minus ah. May sili. Daming kanin. Ayos ba yung damit ko? At may suot eh. Sili. Bagoong. Oh, shit. The best. Sardines. Ayos. Tabi ka muna dyan. Sardinas, tampo. Quality. Straight from the can. Sardinas. Merong bagoong pa. Saan ka pa? Ito yung ano ko. Ginamos. Ginamos. With sardinas. The best. Pasok na tayo mamaya. Yum, yum. Oh, good morning. That's it.
Where do you go to Costco?
Costco? Say hi to my vlog. Yeah. Say hi, good morning. I'm eating sardines. Say hi.
Hello. My jaw hurts.
Sakit natin si Bruno. Saan yung pupunta, Costco?
Yeah.
You buy me ice when you go back.
Why ice?
Lagyan mo may big
Ice? $3?
$3. 3 pieces only.
Wait, ice?
Yeah, $3.
Oh, we're gonna go Costco so we can get it there.
No, mahal doon. Kasi, how much? Tingnan mo na kung
Yeah,
kasi doon na $1 lang eh.
Okay. We shall see.
Wanna try sardines?
I want spicy noodles.
Spicy?
Spicy noodles.
Oh.
And some steak with it.
Steak? I want steak today.
I know you too.
You gonna make one today?
But I'm craving it. You know the noodles? So what I used
No,
to do?
steak.
You know what I do before? I make the spicy noodles and I cut the steak and you eat it with the noodles.
You're gonna buy steak? Bigyan mo ako Ro.
Yeah, let me see. I'll go to Costco.
I want steak today.
I know me too.
Steak and sardinas. Now I'm eating sardinas.
You know,
Okay. Yeah. That's why I eat a lot of sardines.
Yeah, they said it's
Ah,
rich.
Taizo, you wanna eat sardinas?
Yeah.
Sardinas. Sardines from the
I
Philippines.
used to, me and my dad used to catch like
Really?
sardines.
Oh, good.
Oh.
From the Philippines.
Oh.
Mm.
No, I don't like sardines.
It's good.
My dad likes sardines.
Fresh sardines,
Yeah, like
those are good for, yeah, you could like
right.
dip. No, not only that. Dip it with soy sauce.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
fresh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My dad used that. I don't know.
I usually
I only
get
catch it.
I usually get that one from a guy from Long Beach.
Uh-huh.
Whenever they catch a lot of sardines and go in there and I make sushi out of it.
No, my dad used to catch like buckets.
Really? No more?
Full buckets of mackerel and
Really?
sardines. But not anymore.
Oh shit!
No more fish. I think they're all gone. No
Oh
more.
my!
Yeah.
Wow. What do you call that one? And this is like coming out. What season is that? Like it starts with letter G. Like they come out in a season like they're only on the side
On the sand?
on the sand.
Oh, those are different fish.
Yeah, I know. What do you call that one? Yeah, but term for that one.
I forgot. I don't know. What
Letter G something. That dish, those fish like
it smell?
no, it's the term that this fish like from the sea.
High tide?
No, no, it's not that one. Search it up. It's a like I forgot.
I forgot.
It's like starts with the letter G.
G.
Yeah, those fish like coming out on the season
Type
like
of fish though.
no, it's not a type of fish. It's the
G.
search it up when this fish like coming out. What season? And what's the term? It's like letter start with letter G. As in, go search it if you Google it.
Yeah.
No, it's not the fish.
No, it's the
When the fish like
fish season.
this season that they can just kinda no, man. Let me search it up. Ano bang term yun? Nakalimutan ko. Fish. See. Kiana, it's Grunion. Is it Grunion?
That's the thing?
Yeah,
Let me see.
Grunion first. It's like a Grunion. See.
Oh.
California Grunions are small. No, it's not Grunion. There's a term that they.
Spawn out fish.
I think it's for a Grunion. What is another name for?
Look fat.
Okay, nalimutan ko. Okay, anyway, let's eat sardinas.
Okay, Dad, we're gonna go.
Steak.
Spicy noodles.
I'm gonna text you.
Is it not working today then?
No, later, in an hour.
Oh.
Okay. Yana, I'm gonna text you, ah. Yana. You want money?
No. Yeah. Oh, you think it worked then?
Yeah, okay. I texted you, Yana. Yeah, I think it's Grunion Mountain. Okay. Pasok tayo maya. Babakuan. Ito ba? Sardinas. Bagoong. Ano to? Ginamos eh. Yan ang Christmas natin. Sardinas. Mm. Kain pa, gusto ko. Gutom ako eh. May lakas tayo. One day a meal lang naman tayo. Kasi tumataba. Ano na, konti na lang sardinas ko. Sardinas, bagoong, ginamos. Ang kapa. Hmm. 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 Yum, yum. Ginagawa ko. Lemon. May sardina sauce. Tapos lagyan mo ng bagoong. Yung sauce ng sardinas. Sarap. Yan, sardinas sauce yan. Kain nyo ba yan? Pag sanay kayo sa hirap, ito ang pagkain namin. Masarap na, nag-enjoy pa. Mamaya daw, steak daw. Thank you. Sarap nito. Ang sardinas ito. Sarangani. De Pacquiao. Tapos may ginamos pa ako. Dulong. Ayos. Sa sardinas. Mas papasok na tayo mamaya. Hindi na ako nagano. Ligo ang gabi. Pagod yan. Sardinas. Sardinas sabaw. Ayos. Ligo na tayo. Hindi tayo balik. Short hour tayo ngayon. Sarap. Okay. Maliligo na tayo eh. Kasi sa mga